Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about making real money online without wasting time on scams or fake promises, today's video is for you because I'm going to break down one of the most honest, beginner-friendly, and profitable affiliate marketing systems out there. It's called Warrior Affiliate by Kevin Fahey. And trust me, this is not just another course. It's a plug-and-play system that works. Okay, so what exactly is Warrior Affiliate? This is a complete affiliate marketing training and toolkit by Kevin Fahey, a well-known expert in digital marketing with over a decade of proven results. His system teaches you how to promote products on Warrior Plus, a popular marketplace for digital tools and training, and actually get paid commissions, even if you're brand new. What makes it powerful? It's not just theory. It gives you step-by-step training, real case studies, done-for-you funnels, and a repeatable formula for daily commissions. Literally, you can start today and be on your way to your first sale within a few days. Let me walk you through how this works in simple steps. Step 1. Training that actually teaches you something. You get access to a video training hub. Kevin walks you through choosing the right affiliate offers, no guessing, how to get approved fast even with zero sales history, setting up bonus pages that convert like crazy. Step 2. Plug in DFY funnels. Don't know how to design? No worries. You'll get ready-to-go bonus pages, email swipes, templates you just copy, paste, and launch. Step 3. Drive traffic. Now this is gold. Kevin teaches both free and paid traffic strategies, solo ads, YouTube, and Facebook. How to build an email list that buys, how to get clicks that actually convert. Step 4. Automate follow-ups. With the email templates provided, you'll stay in touch with leads automatically. This means more sales on autopilot, even while you sleep. Now, let's talk about the features and real benefits. Beginner friendly. No tech skills needed. If you can copy and paste, you're good. Proven by results. Kevin shares his own real stats and sales, done for you pages and emails. Huge time saver. Email marketing training. This alone is worth gold. Scalable. Start small, grow big. Build a long-term online business. Plus, you get lifetime access, which means you can learn at your own pace and go back anytime for updates. Kevin isn't promising magic. He teaches real affiliate marketing, the kind that works today, not some outdated system from 2015. You'll learn how to pick winning offers, how to create irresistible bonuses, even if you're not a creator, and how to use the Warrior Plus marketplace like a pro. No fluff, no false hope, just a straight up system that works if you work it. If you're tired of trying random things online and want a roadmap to real, consistent affiliate income, this is it. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description. When you get Warrior Affiliate today through my link, you'll also get some exclusive bonuses I've created just for you. Trust me, they're fire. Think extra traffic hacks, a lead magnet template, and my personal 3-day quick launch checklist to get you earning fast. This could honestly be the turning point in your affiliate journey. So don't wait. Click that link below, grab your spot, and let's start building your online income the right way.